I'm going to show you how I put on a duvet cover. I've laundered it and I want to get it on, and it's kind of a pain. This is a queen size bed. If you have a twin bed, you can do it by yourself. When it's queen, it's just easier to have a helper, and my sister Bonnie is going to help me today. I used to get in and put it on up, tie them and roll them out. I was almost crawling up in it. It was a lot of work, and this is just much easier. I think it's called the burrito method. So now I have the bed ready to put the cover on. So on the bottom, so the sheets, there's no sheets on this bed right now, but the sheets would be clean on the bed, and then you put the cover inside out on the bottom, and then you lay the insert over that. And that's where you start. And that's where you get your friend or sister to come help you. So you just take it and you start rolling it up like a burrito. Although I don't really roll my burritos like this. Maybe like a cinnamon roll. Just roll it. Don't worry too much. Sometimes it balls up. You try to keep kind of the same, but like I said, I've done it by myself where I do one side part way and then the other side, and it works. It's just not that easy. Okay, because the insert is longer than the cover, I'll get about this. I'll wait for Bonnie to catch up. Okay, and then we just lift it up and we'll pull it up on the bed so we have a surface to work on. Okay, and now we'll finish it up. And like I said, it's longer, so I have to go in here and see there's the two sides here. I just take this and wrap the underneath one around it and kind of shove it in there. Makes a little pocket. And as you bring it around, you'll see that you've got the burrito inside, and you just work it and unroll it. Yeah, perfect. Just take this part. Yeah. Just take this part. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Probably have to do it a couple of times before you get the method. I watched several different videos, and I had to watch it while I was doing it a few times. Okay, so you want to grab, when you unroll it, you want to grab the very top of the seam with the cover, right with it. Yeah. So I reach over about halfway and then undo the corner and grab it. And Bonnie's left-handed, so I don't know how to tell her to do that. Okay, got it? And we're going to shake it about 3 times, just let the cover fly out, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Now we'll just take it and lay it out like it's going to be on the bed. See that better? Mm-hmm. And then just bring this out.
You might need more on your side.
Yeah, we'll have to pull it out when we get it in here. And I kind of just pull it so it's smooth. Sometimes it bunches up a bit. I just want that part smooth. Because this is longer than the cover, I just kind of roll it under so that when it's on the bed, it rolls right. And just put that in there, and then I'm just going to zip it up. The first one I had was buttons, and it didn't take me long before I realized I prefer a zipper. And I just zip each side up to about the middle. And now, because this is kind of bunchy, you have to kind of pull it over, and it's too high. So we just kind of pull it over and smooth it down, and that makes it roll over the bed. And then you just move it so that it's equal on both sides, and there you go. The cover. Just put on the zip like that. Put pillows under when I make the bed. And it's just a much easier method. So I hope you enjoy.